Make una see am. I make a video concerning Fulani bandits, the way they block road. Some people come to my comment section, they insult me, they abuse me. They don't enter everybody's house. Make una see road. Make una see road, how they take block am. All the police don't run. Even all the truck drivers, the passengers look at inside this motor and I don't see anybody inside again. See this one. Nobody's inside. Everybody don't run, enter bush. I make a video of Fulani bandits, the way they block road, the way they do things. People come to my comment section, they abuse me. They talk plenty things. They don't share again. Yesterday was in Amasiri road to what do you call it? Akeze. That place. Today own is Okiwe to Omahia. That is where I'm reporting from. Now still me. So people will still come to my comment section. They tell me that I talk rubbish. I tell them, I say, you go reach everybody's room. And they done the show. How can I see people? How can I see people?